Hey guys, let's talk about how to install a Tapo Wi-Fi camera on a wall. Here I have a Tapo C200 and it comes with all the accessories that you need for installation. Here, for example, you have this mounting plate and then comes also with the screws and anchors for the installation. A template so you can drill the holes on the wall, and also here the instructions on how to do it. So pretty simple. You see here that I'm gonna mark the position using the template. Then you're gonna mount the base using the screws and secure the camera by just locking into place, right? So super simple. Let me just show you how it works. So as long as you have this mounting here in the place, right? You're gonna get your camera and you're gonna put it here. That way, you see here, there's a space where this part is going to get into, right? So you just put it here, for example, on a wall. You see that goes into that correct position here. It locks the camera. So super simple. Okay. So just grab your mount, put there on a wall, get your camera, put the camera in the position, and secure the camera in place. So super simple, the installation of this Tapo C200, which is a Wi-Fi camera. So after installation, just connect the cable and you continue with the setup. I have another video here in the channel where I show the setup. So please just watch my other video here and also leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.